How I treated the root cause of my high blood pressure naturally. I used to think high blood pressure was just a number, a silent warning that would fade with a few pills. But one morning, as I stood from bed, the world spun. My vision blurred, my heart raced, and in that instant, I realized I wasn't just living with hypertension. I was trapped by it. The doctor's words hit hard. Your blood pressure is dangerously high. If you don't change your lifestyle, your heart won't hold out. That moment broke me, but it also woke me up. I began to dig deeper, not into medications, but into why my blood pressure was high. I discovered something shocking. It wasn't just salt or stress. It was everything: my sleep, my thoughts, my food, my habits. My life was quietly suffocating me. I decided I would no longer just treat the symptoms. I would heal the system. The first thing I changed was my mornings. I started each day with slow breathing, 5 minutes of calm to reset my nervous system. Then I walked. Not to burn calories, but to release stress. I filled my plate with color, leafy greens, bananas, beets, garlic, avocado, and hibiscus tea. I replaced processed salt with potassium-rich foods and hydrated like my life depended on it. Sleep became sacred. No late-night screens, no caffeine after noon. Just rest. My heart needed peace, not panic. But the real healing began when I faced my mind. I had carried years of silent pressure, fear, regret, anxiety. I learned to forgive myself, to slow down, to let go of what I couldn't control. That was the true root cause: unreleased tension. My body had been screaming what my mind refused to say. After 90 days, something miraculous happened. My readings dropped from 160/100 to 118/78. Naturally, no side effects, no fear, just balance. High blood pressure didn't just teach me how to heal, it taught me how to live. If you're fighting high blood pressure, don't just silence the symptoms. Listen to your body. Heal the cause. You have more power than you think. Your healing starts with one choice: peace over pressure. Subscribe and join me on this journey of natural healing. Together, we'll restore health from the inside out.